Good morning. Today we shall discuss the IMO Class 2 Olympiad 2014 paper Set B. That is SOF Olympiad, International Mathematics Olympiad Class 2 2014 Set B. First question. Identify the figure which will complete the given figure series. Here, after this, what will be here? That is, after this. So, after this, what will be here? This one. So, A is the correct option. Next one, find the odd one out. Here, how many leaves are here? 4 leaves. Here also 4 leaves. Here also 4 leaves. But here is 5 leaves. So, D is the odd one. Next question. Third question. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side of this. Identify the relation and find the missing figure. Here, when we look at this, here 2, then here 3. So, in upward 2 and downward 3. Then 2, then 1. So, here 3, 4 is not possible here. Possible options is not here. So, from 3 we have 2 here. So, this is the option 3 and 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So, B is the correct option because from here 2 plus 1, 3. Here 2 minus 1, 1. So, here 4 plus 1, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. So, B is the correct option. Next one, how many squares and standing lines respectively are there in the given figure? How many squares are there? Here one square is this. This one is 1 square and this is 2 and this whole is 3 and this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. So 7 squares are there. So this is the option. And how many standing lines are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 standing lines. So B is the correct option. Next question. Find the missing number if same rule is applied in the 3 figures. Here 10, 4, 1, 5. 9, 1, 6, 2. 8, 2, 2. Here what comes? Here if you look at this, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So, adding this 3, we get this. And adding this 3, that is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. So, here it comes. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus which is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So, in this place 4 comes. So, B is the correct option. Next question. Rohit starts his piano practice on 9th January and finishes his practice on 20th January. How many days did he practice? Assume that Sunday is a holiday. So, from 9th to 20th. Sunday is a holiday. So, this is a holiday. This is holiday. So, how many days are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, A is the correct option because 1 is a holiday. So, 11 days practices. Next question. How many shapes has the number of sides greater than 3? Here, how many shapes? Here, three sides is triangle. So, this is not this is not, this is not. These are triangles, so not counting. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But this is a triangle, so it's not counted. So this is not counted. So only 6. So D is the correct option. So if we take the triangle, it is 3 sides. So greater than 3 sides is the other one. So 6 is the correct option. Next question. Some boys are standing in a line. Varun, Arun, Mohit, Raj, Amit, Gautam, Praneeth, Prateek. If Mohit and Gautam interchange their positions, then which boy will be third from the right end? Mohit and Gautam changes. So here Gautam and here Mohit comes. Then this is right hand and this is left hand. Sometimes they given the right hand and left hand. But if they don't give the right hand and left hand, we know that this is right hand and this is left hand. Then the boy will be the third from the right hand. So here is the right hand and third, first, second and third. So Mohit. That is the correct option. A is the correct option. Next question. Find the figure which is same as that of figure X. So in this figure, this line is not here. Is it? Yes. So this is not. Here one is violet. This is red. So this is not. Here also 1, 2 is here. Dot 3, 4 is not here. So this is not. So this is the correct option. Next one, if Shreya rotates the wheel, then which number will most likely to come? That is most likely to come is how many times 1 occurs. That is 3 times occurs, 4 is 2 times occurs, 5 is 1 time and 1 is 1 time and 2 is 2 times. So most likely to come is 3. That is 3 times is here 3. So 3 is most likely to come. Next question. Find the value of x plus y. Here how we get this x and y. How we get some number minus some number equal to this number. So we get this number as adding this 2. So 8 plus 3 equal to 11. 1 carry over here. So 1 carry over means 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. So 0 here, 1 carry over, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus how many equal to 8? That is 2 equal to 8. So x plus y is 0 plus 2. That is 2. B is the correct option. So if one number minus another number equal to a number, then we find this number adding these two. Adding these two, we get this number. So this is the B is the correct option. Next one, Z is obtained by adding 45 tens, 15 ones to 363. The smallest digit of Z is dash and is an dash number. Adding 45 tens. 45 tens means 45 into 10. That is 450. Then 15 ones means 15 into 1, that is 15. So adding 5, 6, 4. Then adding this to 363. So adding 363. So 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 6, 12, 2, 1 carry over, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 828. So the smallest digit in this is 2. 2 and is an which number? 8. One's place is 8. So it is an even number. So even. So 2 even. B is the correct option. Next question. Next question. If apple plus brinjal equal to 18. Apples plus brinjal, apple plus brinjal, 1 apple plus 1 brinjal equal to 18 and 3 brinjal equal to 18. Then the value of apple. 3 brinjal equal to 18. 3 brinjal equal to 18. Then 1 brinjal equal to 18 divided by 3. How many 3s are 6? 18. That is 6 3s are 18. So brinjal, 1 brinjal equal to 6. Then we write this brinjal 6. So apple plus 6 equal to 18. So apple equal to 18 minus 6. 18 minus 6 equal to, how we write? 18 minus 6. 8 minus 6, that is 2. 1, that is 12. So B is the correct option. Next question. If Rohit spends rupees 250, then which two things did he buy? 250. Toy car and doll. Toy car means 80 rupees and doll 100 rupees. So 180, not 250. Then doll and pencil. Doll and pencil means 100 plus 5. That is 105. Toy car and shirt. That is 80 plus 150. 0, 8 plus 5. 8 in your mind, 5 in your hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. That is 230. Then next, doll and shirt. Doll 100 and shirt 150. So 100 plus 150. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 250. So this is the correct option. Rohit spends rupees 250. Then which two things did he buy? Doll and shirt. Next question. String dash is shorter than string S. String S is this. Shorter string is Q. Q is shorter than S. Because in this curved lines are here. So this is longer. And this also longer. This is shorter than S. So Q is shorter than string S. B is the correct option. Set dash has dash fewer horses than set dash. So set dash has dash fewer horses than set dash. In this here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5. Here 4. Here 1 missing. So here 1 missing and here 5. Here 5. Here 1 missing. So in this 2 less. So set Q has 2 fewer horses than set P. P. So Q to P. Which is the option? C is the correct option. Next question. 17th question. If star is 70 kilogram, then the weight of this sun is, or that is, a star is 70 kilogram means this 2 star equal to 1 crescent. That is 70 plus 70. That is 70 plus 70 means 0 plus 0, 0, 7 plus 7 equal to 14. That is 140. So 1 crescent equal to 140. Then here how many crescents are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 crescents. So either we write 140 into 5. That is 0 5s are 0. 4 5s are 20. That is 0, 2. 1 5s are 5 plus 2, 7. 700 kilogram. Or we write 140 plus 140 plus 140 plus 140 plus 140. That is 5 times 140. And then we add this. So we get 700. So these two ways are there in this question. Next question. If this stands for 12, then this stands for how many? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 stands for 12. So 9 stands for 12 into 9. That is 2 9s are 80. That is 18. 8. 1. 1 9s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 108. So this is the correct option. Or we have to look 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus how many times? 9 times 12. Adding. So we get 108. Or we have to calculate 12 into 9. That is 2 9s are 18. 8 1. 1 9s are 9 plus 1 0 10. 108. So D is the correct option. Next question. The given picture graph shows the number of hats sold by Anshu from Monday to Friday. Anshu sold each hat for rupees 28. How much more money did he collect on Thursday than on Tuesday? This is Tuesday 2. This is Thursday. That is here 6. So the difference is which is a difference here 2, here 6. So 4 is the difference. And each this stands for 8 hats. So we have to do 4 8s are 32. Then Anshu sold each hat for 28. So 32 into 28. So 2 8s are 16, 6, 1. 3 8s are 24 plus 1, 25. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 6, 9, 8. 8 96. Or we have to do this 4 into 28 first. 4 into 28 first into 8 then. So 28 into 4 equals 3. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 11. 1 12 into 8. That is 2 8s are 16. 1 9 8. 8 96. So 2-digit multiplication is not done in your class. So we have to look like this. That is 28 into 4 first, then into 8. Then next question, what is the height of the bottle in centimeter? Bottle height is 21. So 21 centimeter, which is the option. 3 tens means 3 into 10, that is 30. Minus 18 ones means 18 into 1, that is 18. So 30 minus 18, that is here 0 minus 8 is not possible. So we take here from here 1. So here 2 and this 10. 10 minus 8, 2. Then 2 minus 1, 1. That is 12. Not correct. Here 21 is the answer. So 1 tens means 10. Plus 11 ones means 11. So 10 plus 11 is 21. So this is the correct option. Next one, 10 tens means 10 into 10, that is 100. 100 minus 91 ones means 91. That is here 9. So this is not correct. 2 tens means 20 plus 3 ones means 3. So 23. Not correct. So this is the correct option. Thanks for watching. If you like these classes, please like and subscribe and share it for more such students. Next part will be uploaded soon. Bye bye.